Hello, all. Welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to show you how to automate another test case of login functionality, that is the test case number 16. So let's get started. So verify logging into the application after changing the password. Okay, what we have to do here, guys? We have to change the password and see whether the old password is not working and the new password that we have changed is working. Okay, after changing the password, the old password should not allow you to log in, and the new password need to log in. Okay, need to make you log in. Okay, that's what is something we have to verify as part of the test, and we also will go through the steps a bit. Okay, before we start automating this. First, we need to open the application URL in any supported browser. We need to open the application URL in any supported browser. After opening the application URL, then you have to click on My Account drop menu. Okay. Then you have to click on My Account drop menu. Then select the login option. You should be here. Login option verify is there. Should not be allowed to log in. Okay. I think this one you can remove as is wrong one. Okay. You should be taken to the login page. Then you have to enter valid email address into the email field and enter valid password into the password field. Click on login button. Okay, after changing the password, this is after changing the password or something. Okay, okay. First, we have to log in normally with the old password, and then click on change your password. Okay, with the old password, we should be able to log in here. After that, click on change your password link, and then enter new password into the password and password confirm fields, and click on continue. Password will change. Now, again, click on my account drop menu and log out, and repeat the steps from 1 to 5. Till here, you need to repeat the steps and enter new credentials given the step 7 and click on login button and user should be able to log in. Okay, here repeat steps 1 to 5. With the old credentials we should not be able to log in, and with the new credentials we should be able to log in. This is what we are saying. Okay, with the old credentials we should not be able to log in. After changing the password with the old credentials, that is the 10th line, we should not be able to, you say expect result 1, you should not be able to log in. Whereas 11th line, with new credentials we should be able to log in. Okay, so let's start automating it so that you'll understand this particular test case in a better way. For that, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE here and expand this project a bit, and then go to this and here login register is there. Go to the login.java, go to login.java. Okay, I'll just create a method that is public void, verify logging into the application, verify logging into application. Okay, using after changing password, Okay, verify logging into the application after changing the password at the rate test, and here say priority is equal to 16, and here write down. First, we need to we have to click on my account drop menu and click on login option so that we'll be taken to the login page. That will be automatically done because of this before method. You see here already the steps are there, like opening the browser. Okay, clicking on my account drop menu, selecting the login option so that the object reference of the login page came and we have navigated to the login page already. Now in the login page, what is the next thing that we have to do? We have to enter the valid email address into the, so we'll enter something like this. Okay, login page dot enter. Okay, so login, I'll say login page dot enter email. Okay, enter email. Login page dot enter email. So here, this kind of tricky a bit. Let me tell you how this works out. Okay, login page dot enter email. Okay, here I'll do one thing. That is enter the email address, a valid email address. So we'll go to the, just go to the properties file here. Just open the properties file and take one email address for which you want to change the password. So here, what are the different existing email addresses we have? Emotory cap one and all those stuff. Here, existing email is equal to. I'll just find out an existing email in the application, guys. Okay, before that, or is there any email here that is provided here? So this is Emotory 5. Let's try this out. Let's try this email whether this email is working or not. Let's see. Login and give the password as 12345 here and click on login. Maybe the login has been changed, the password has been changed here. or what is the password we have given, I don't know. 67890. I'm just trying to see if this works or not. No, it's still not working. I don't know what is the password for this. I'll give a different email address, guys. Okay, I'll take a different email address. A Mutori cap 9@gmail.com. I'll give 12345 here. Click on login. No. Cap 8. Login. Yeah, cap 8. Cap 8 is working. A Motori cap 8. I'll take that A Motori cap 8 kind of stuff. A Motori cap 8. Copy this. Copy this and paste it here, the email address here. Go to the login.java, save this, and copy this property name, existing uh, email, what do you say, sample email, existing sample email, I'll say. A different name I'll give for the property name because already existing email is there here. I'll take this another name here. Sample email 2 or something. I'll just give a different name. Copy this. Come back here and here write down prop dot get property and here double quotes. Give the property name, guys. After giving the property name, after entering the property name into the this field, okay. So then I need to give the password. The password is 123545 as you know. Login page dot enter login page dot enter password. The password is nothing but the prop dot get property and here give valid password. Copy this and write down the valid password here. Once I enter the valid password here, that is 12345 here and click on the login button. The user, okay. So, okay, I have to give a proper email address first of all here. There's a proper email address and then I need to give a valid password 1235. Click on the login button. To click on the login button, what I have to write here? Then I have to write here login page dot click on login button. Okay. Once I click on the login button, you will be taken to this page. And here, any particular thing that we have to verify, nothing we have to verify. Click on change your password link. Okay. We need to click on the change your password link. Change your password link. We have to click. So inspect this. So this particular thing is there on the account page. When you click on the login button, it will return you the object reference of the account page already. Account page, you say account page is equal to login page dot. Okay. Then save this. Then save this, guys. Then write down account page. Go to the account page, guys. Go to the account page here. Go to the account page here. Pages. Go to the account page. In the account page, change your password. Account page. So for changing the password, change your. I need to click on the change your password link. Click on change your password link. Create a web element here that is private. Web element. Change your password. Put a semicolon here and write down at the rate find by and inspect this. Change your password. Inspect this. Change your password and copy this particular thing. Link text is equal to give that link text locator and create a method here that is public void click on change your password option. Okay, and then write down change your password dot click. Change your password dot click. See, once I click on this change your password, I'll be taken to which page? I'll be taken to the change password page. Did we already create a page for the change password page? No, right? Create a new page. Right click here, select new class, change. What is that name of the page? Change password page. Change password page. Click on finish. Once I create a change password page, here, what do you have to do here next? Once you public class change your password page and create a WebDriver driver, Control Shift O, then create a constructor here, public, change password page constructor, and here write down WebDriver driver, and then write down this dot driver is equal to driver. Okay, then write down page factory dot init elements driver comma this Okay, driver comma this. Then that's it, guys. Okay, so now do one thing. Here, go to that what page? Account page, I think so. And here, when you click on the change your password link, you need to return new object for the change password page. Change password page and pass the driver here. Pass the driver here back, and here the here the return type will be change password page. Okay, that's it. We have to do. Save this. Come back to the login.java, and here using account page, I'm going to say click on account page dot click on account page dot click on change your password option, and this will return you. This will take you to the change password page. Change password page is equal to over the mouse on this and say create, and copy this, guys. Copy this, and go to the top, and yeah, paste it here. Put a semicolon here, and copy this. Copy this. Change your password thing. Copy this. Change your password thing, and change your password. Okay, change your password is equal to account page dot click on change your password option. You can change your password option. Once you go to this page, then what's the next thing that we have to do here, guys? Login page dot enter email, enter password, account page, login page dot click on login button, change password page is called account page dot click on change your password option. Once you click on change your password option, on this page, I need to enter a new password into the password and password confirm field and click on the continue button here. Okay. So for that to happen, guys, okay. For that to happen, I'll do one thing. Okay, a lot of things are there here in the test. I'll tell you what exactly we have to do, because every time you run the script need to work. That is another thing that is running in my mind while automating the script. But we'll go in a normal way. First of all, inspect this, and once I inspect that, and here is an ID for that password field, and here go to the change password page and create a web element here that is private web element, private web element, and the thing here is password field. Okay, password field, and here write down at the rate find by id is equal to give the id locator and say control shift o, save this, then inspect this password confirm field also. Copy this input confirm and create a web element here that is private web element. Okay, password confirm field. Okay, password confirm field. Okay, and then write down at the rate find by id is equal to give the id locator, and now create some methods around this web elements. Public void enter password. Okay, enter password. So in the enter password, simply I'll write out password text, a new password, the new password that I want to remove the old password and give the latest password here, that password, new password. And here I'll write down password field dot send keys, and here I'll write down password text. Okay, password field dot send keys dot password text. Okay, public void enter password string password field dot send keys of enter password, and create one more method that is public void enter confirm password, confirm password and string password text. Okay, I need to enter this into the password confirm field dot send keys, and here the password text I need to provide here and put a semicolon. That's it. Now save this, guys, and go to here and simply write down change password page dot enter password. What is the password that you want to enter newly? Some new password I need to enter. What is that new password that I need to enter here? Okay, so here uh, what is the new password I need to enter? Go to the project data dot properties, and here some valid password 12345 is there. Okay, I want to change that to some other password like x sample password. I already we have the sample password. I'll use this. Okay, Oh, otherwise I'll do one more thing, guys. Okay. I'll say sample password two. I'll say, okay. Intentionally, I'm giving a different password here. Okay. One, 1 1 1 1 1. Okay. All five ones. Okay. Save this. This is the password I'm going to enter. Copy this sample password two. Come back here and here write down prop dot get property and give the new password. That is sample password two is a new password here. Again, change password page. Change password. The same password I need to enter into the password confirm field, enter confirm password. And here again, prop.get property of sample password 2 I need to give. Okay. Like this, I have to change. Then I need to click on the Then I need to click on the continue button here, guys. Okay. After entering a new password, let's say I'll enter what is the password I'm entering here. All ones, right? All ones. Okay. Here I'll enter 1 1 1 1 1. Here also 1 1 1 1 1. And I need to click on the continue button. Inspect this continue button. And here value continue is there and input type double forward slash input at the rate value is equal to give that continue button. This will locate the only one element is getting located and that to the continue button, guys. Copy this continue button and here come down, come back here and write down in the change password page, the continue button is there. Go to the change password page and create another web element that is private web element change, sorry, continue button, right? Continue button. Okay. Continue button. And here write down at the rate find by, at the rate find by, and here write xpath is equal to give the xpath expression of that button. And I need to create a method for clicking on the continue button. Okay. Public void, click on continue button, click on continue button. And here write down continue button dot click, continue button dot click. Okay. Once I click on the continue button here, once I click on the continue button, what is happening? Let's see. I'll be taken to which page here? I'll be taken to the account page here. I'm taken to the account page. I'm getting a message here. Your password has been successfully updated. Message is coming. This we need to verify. It's better. Even though it's not there in the test case, it's better to verify this particular message is coming in the account page or not. So first of all, we are going to the account page. So here I'll simply say return new account page, object reference, and simply say driver here. Put a semicolon here and write down, delete this and write down account page. Copy paste this, save this and here, okay, return new account page and go to the login page and here write down change password page dot click on continue button. This will return you the object reference of the account page. Just write down account page is equal to here. Once you do that, guys, okay, once you do that here, object of the account page, once you get that, you need to verify this message first of all that password has been updated. This warning message should come. So here text between the tags, this expected text is like this, okay, string expected warning. Expected warning is equal to give that expected warning text. Okay. Expected message, you can say instead of warning, you can say expected message. Okay. Success, your password has been successfully updated. And here, what is the actual one that you're going to get? Inspect that. And here, take this class and control C, control F double forward slash div at the rate class is equal to give all the classes. This is locating only one element that is a div part. In between that, the text, whatever that is there, that I'm going to get it. Copy this XPath expression. And this is on the account page, right? I'm going to get this on the account page. Okay. This particular thing is on the account page. Copy this and go to the account page here. Go to the account page and here create a web element that is private web element. Okay. Uh, message. Okay. Message, I'll say. Okay. Message. What is the message we are getting? Find by. That is XPath is equal to give the XPath expression here. Okay. Now I need to create a method for getting this message that is public void get message, get message, get message. And here I need to simply write down message dot get text, message dot get text, message dot get text, put a semicolon here and simply say return. And here return type should be string. That's it. Save this. Go to the login.java and here write down assert dot assert equals assert dot assert equals here expected message you write in on the right side. And here actual message we need to get from the account page dot get message. Okay, if this both matches, one of the tests will be, this is one of the thing that need to pass the test. Okay, required for passing the test. And after that, I need to log out, guys. I need to log out from this so that I need to check whether okay, the old and new passwords are old password is not working and new password is working. I need to verify. So for that to happen, guys, here what is valid password is something I have given. Okay, it's better I would have given a different one here. Okay, instead of valid password, what if I give the properties file and give? Mm, I'll just give a different name, guys. Okay, otherwise this need to be modified a bit. That's the reason. Valid password 2 I'll say and give the same 1 2 3 4 5 only. Okay, save this. So I'll give 1 2 3 4 5 here in the here. I will not be using the valid password. I'll be using a different one. Okay, save this. Now the next one here is once that is done, there is a reason why I'm updating that, why I'm using some different properties here. Okay, for this particular account, why I'm using different properties, even though 1 2 3 4 5 is part of the valid password, why I'm using this, in some time you'll get to know that. Okay, in some time you'll get to know that. Fine. Once this is done, what's the next thing that I have to do, guys? Asset equals account page dot get message expected message. And after that is done, I need to log out from this page. Not to log out, there is a logout option here. So simply I'll write down dot account page dot click on logout option. It is already there. Click on logout option. Once I click on the logout option, I'll be taken to the account logout page. Click on logout option, I'll be taken to the which page? Account logout page. Okay. Here object reference of the account, whether we need that or not. Let's see. Okay. After that, I need to click on my account and select login option. I need to click on my account and select login option. Account page dot click on uh, from account page. Sorry. Here I'm going to click on the logout option. I'll be taken to account logout page. Account logout page. Account logout page is equal to for the mouse. Okay, it's already there. It seems on the top it is already there. Account logout page is already created here. That's okay. Then account logout page dot click on dot click on. There's nothing here in this account logout page. There is nothing. Go to the account logout page here first of all. Account logout page. Just go to the account logout page here. In the account logout page, create a web element here. There is private web element. My account drop menu, and here write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to give the xpath expression of that web element. Inspect this. You already know, right? My account. Okay, there is an xpath expression we have to create. Actually, copy this. Control F double forward slash span. Text function is equal to my account. Okay, text function is equal to my account. This will locate the my account drop menu. Okay, copy this xpath expression and give that here and say Control Shift O. Then I need to click on that public void. Click on my account drop menu. Click on my account drop menu, and here write on my account drop menu dot click. My account drop menu dot click. Once I click on the my account drop menu, this will happen from the account logout page. When you click on the my account drop menu, you'll get the register login. In that, you need to inspect the login, and this is a link text locator. Copy this and here create one more web element, that is private web element login option. Put a semicolon here and here write down at the rate find by. Then at the rate find by link text is equal to give the link text locator and create a method here that is public void. Click on login option. Okay, click on login option or select login option. You can say select login option instead. Select login option. Once you say select login option, and here I'll write down login option dot click. Login option dot click. Once I select login option and select the login option, you will be taken to which page? Account login page I'll be taken to. So here I will be taken to the account login page. Login page, otherwise return new. What is that login page, right? Where is the login page? Login page is there here. Create an object for the login page and pass a driver here. Pass a driver here. Put a semicolon and here return type should be login page. Save this. Okay. So yeah, fine. Let's do that. Account login page dot click on my account drop menu. Then account logout page dot select login option. This will return you the object reference of the login page. Okay, login page object reference will come. So once we are taken to the login page, I need to enter the email address I need to enter the email address and password. Okay. So login page dot enter email, the same email address I'll enter. And coming to the password, I need to enter this password, guys. Okay. That is sample password 2 I need to enter. Okay. Which is the latest password. Okay. First of all, what is that test case that you need to verify here? We need to repeat the steps from 1 to 5. That is 1 to 5. From here to 5 means we need to give the same password, guys. Okay. We need to give the same password. That means old password, which should not work actually. Okay. If I give the old password, it should not work. I'll give the email address here. Amotory capiate. That's the email address, right? Let's go to the properties file and yeah, 1 minute. Let me open that again. Properties file. You see, amotory capiate is the existing sample email to that email address we are going to give here. That's the one thing we are going to do. Okay, existing sample email to that is email address here, and here we need to give the same password that we are giving here. That is a old password. Okay, valid password 2 is a old password. Valid password 2 is a old password. Okay, so this is a new password. This is a old password. Okay, I'm going to give the old password and login page dot click on login button. Okay, once I click on the login button, what should happen here? Let's see. Okay, if I give the old password, that is 12345 is the old password, and click on the login button, since the password got changed, we should get this warning message, guys. Okay, so we have to verify whether we are getting this warning message. String here, I'll write down string expected warning is equal to give that warning message, and here write down assert dot assert equals assert equals expected warning. I'll just write down here, and here I'll say login page dot get warning message. Okay, so if both match, then the test will pass so far, because old password should give this warning message. Now again, what is the next thing that I need to do? You see, repeat steps 1 to 5, and users should not be allowed to log in. Instead, warning message we should get. And now enter new credentials given in the step second and click on the login button in the same page. First thing is that I need to clear the password here in the same, okay, in this page, I need to clear the password and enter the new password here. How to clear the password here? So for that, login page dot clear. I don't know whether we have the clear method here. No. Go to the login page. Go to the login page. Where is the login page? And here, create a method here saying public void clear password. Clear password. So here, what is the password field? Password field dot clear command you write down. Okay. So save this and now run this. Here simply say login page dot clear password. Okay. Login page dot clear password. Then next thing is login page dot clear password. After clearing the password in the password field, after clearing this password, we are going to enter the new password. How to enter that? Log this part here I'll take, and this time enter password, and I'll enter the this sample password too, which is the latest password. Okay, I should enter the latest password here, and then I need to click on the continue button this time. Sorry, login button this time. Login page dot click on login button. Okay, after entering the new password, that is 11111, and click on the login button, I should be able to log in. The user should, this logout option should come. Is user logged in or not? We have to verify. Okay, with this new password, is the user logged in or not? We have to verify. How to verify that? Uh, After I click on the login button, you'll get the object reference of the account page. Account page is equal to write like this, and here write down assert dot assert true account page dot is user logged in. Is user logged in? I'll say. Okay, is user logged in? With the help of logout option, it will be verifying that if the logout option is there, we got successfully logged in. Okay, that's what we have to verify, guys. Okay, that's what we have to verify. But the problem here is when you run the script, the old password will be changed to the new password, and when you try to run the script for the second time, here the first itself in the first itself here you're going to get. Okay, here you'll not be able to log in because the old password got changed to the new password. So how to, you know, before concluding all this stuff, what we have to do here is, okay, before concluding this, okay, before concluding this, what we have to do here is we have to reverse the stuff, that is into the, okay, here what we have to do here is we have to again update the old password with the latest password, and latest password with the old password. Okay, how to do that, guys? How to do that? For that to happen, we have to simply write down prop dot set property Okay. Prop dot set property. What is the thing that we have to give here? Over the mouse. Key and value. What is the property you want to set and which value you want to set? Property key is like valid password to. Okay, the old password thing. That is a valid password to. This is a key. Just give that key here and into that key. Sorry, what is the key actually? Get property of valid password to. Into the key, what is the value you have to pass? Into the key, what is the value you have to pass? Into the key, you have to provide this prop dot get property of this one will become the old one for the next time. Okay, and then prop dot set property, prop dot set property. Okay, here is something that we need to understand. Just give me a second. I need to swap the things. I need to swap the things with the details. New old one with the new one with the old one. I need to swap. Okay, then it's going to work fine. Otherwise, it will be a problem. Okay. So to swap that, before swapping, okay. So I'll take this prop dot get property of two here and post that a string old password is equal to give that old password, and here this one I'll say as a new password. Okay, string. There's a new password, right? New password. Okay, give like this. Give like this. You can also do this in the beginning of the script also. If you want to take this and put it at the beginning of the script, you can do that. Old password you can say, and the old password you can enter here. Okay, old password. And wherever the valid password 2 is there, you enter the old password, and wherever the sample password 2 is there, you enter the new password. Okay, copy this and paste the new password here, and then sample password 2, that is the new password, and then here valid password 2, that is the old password. Give the old password here. Sorry, give the old password. What is this? Okay, I think something happened here. Login page, and where is that? Give me a second, guys. Okay, method is failing here means this error that is coming here. The method enter is undefined for the type is coming. Enter password. Login page, enter password. Login page, enter password. Go to enter password. Login page dot enter password. I just copy pasted something and maybe on the top it is there. Uh, Control Shift O. Control O. Where is the enter password? It got removed. Looks like it got removed and replaced with something new. 1 minute. Something got modified here. Click on restore option. Enter email. Old. Okay, here it came. You know. Old password is copy pasted here. Enter password is the method name. Okay, that is the reason we are getting the error there. So with unintentionally this got modified here. That's okay. Now it's working fine. So the next thing is that we have moved it to the top, and we provided that variables old password, new password here and there. Here valid password 2 is there again. New password. Here also new password. Here directly give new password, and here also directly give new password. Okay. Here give old password, directly give old password directly. Don't have to say prop dot get. It's going jumping here and there, guys. Okay. Let's go down. Copy the old password. and here give old password directly. You don't have to write the enter statement. And here new password, and here this is the email. That's okay. Valid password to is old password. Copy this, and here give the old password. Then again here give the new password. Here you need to give the new password. Copy this, and give the new password here. Give the new password. Sorry. Give the new password. Again, jumping here and there. Give the new password. Save this. Save this so far. Any error so far? Where is the error? Okay, somewhere here. Okay, we have to put a semicolon. That's okay. Yeah, we'll do it. Just wait for a while. We'll do it. Okay. New password is given, and here now we have the old password, new password, but we need to swap that. Okay, we need to swap. How to swap that? How to swap that? Now we have the old password. Prop dot get set property. Prop dot set property. Here, give the key name. What is the key name? The key name is the old password key name. Prop dot set property and valid password too. There is the old password. To this old password, we have to assign the new password now. That is new password we have to assign. We have to swap it in the properties file will get updated, guys. The new will become old and old will become new, so that in the next run, the old and new will work in a different fashion. Okay. Then prop dot set property. Here give sample password 2 as a key, and the value should be old password. Value should be old password. Okay. And it should go old password. You are not retrieving. Old one is getting retrieved and pasted here. That's it. Okay. At the end of the script, you have to do this, guys. Otherwise, this will not run multiple times. Okay. There is a reason why we are writing like this. Let's run the script to see. So no matter what, this should happen. No matter what, this should happen. So for that, I'll write the try block here. I'll put everything inside the try block. Catch exception E. So here E dot print stack trace. Okay. And here finally block I'll write no matter what. This finally block need to be called, and this need to be set. What's the problem here? Okay, this one I need to take it outside. A semicolon here, put a semicolon here, remove the double declaration here from here, remove the double declaration from here, Control Shift F, Control Shift O, save all. That's it. What is the problem? Initialization. First initialize this with nulls. Okay, initialize them with null. Here also null. That's it. Okay. Or you can take this outside also, not a big deal. Okay, save this. I think we are good to go. No matter how many times I run the script need to pass, guys. That's the main thing that we have to take care of. Okay. No matter how many times I run the script should pass. So run the script to see whether it is working fine or not. A kind of tricky one because after at the end of the script, we need to update the old password with the new password, and new password is the old password because, yeah, I know. No such element exception came, and this should fail the test also. Here finally block. Okay. The problem here is we already have updated the things, guys. Okay, so one time we have to make sure that things are good. Where we have run the where we have got the exception here. In which line? Let's see. Okay, where is the file name? Login. Okay, it's not logged in, so that's okay. Fine, I got it. What I need to simply do here is here, just for a while, just modify this. Give one here, okay, for one time. Okay. After that it will work, I think so. Just run the script now. Just run the script now. See what is happening here. Again, changing the password, log out, old password will not work, new password will work, test got passed. Again, run the script for second time. Again, run the script for second time. For second time also it should work. This is one thing important, guys. Second time also the script need to work. It's not working. Second time onwards, it's not working. Second time onwards, we are getting the exception here. No such element exception. Okay, so what may be the reason? Go to the properties and see this, and we have to set the password, guys. Basically, we have to set the password here. Password is not being set. Okay, the properties file, the property is not being set. Valid password 2 is not being set. Sample password 2 is not being set. Close this and open this once. It's not being set. 111 should come here. 1234 should come here. That's not happening. I thought it's happening. Okay, close all once and open only the login.java and go to the required place and see in the finally block should go there, and if still it's not modifying that, I'll remove the try catch blocks from here. Let's not worry about the try catch blocks for a while. Control Shift F. Okay, valid password 2 is a new password. I am saying that new password is nothing but a sample password 2. Sample password 2. Okay, prop dot set property. How to set the properties? Okay, how to update the properties is something I have to verify. Let's go to some experimentation, guys. Just temporarily, I'll go to some experimentation here. I'll write create a new class, update property demo. Okay, with main method, and here I'll go to the properties file and give something like name is equal to. I'll just give my name is equal to Arun. I would like to update my name from Arun to Varun. Let's see whether that is happening or not. Here I'll write the code, that is common utils dot load properties. This will load the properties file and generate the properties properties prop here. Okay, this will happen, and hover the mouse on this, import this from java.util package. Then after that, what is the next thing that I have to do? Prop dot set property. The property name is the name, name is the property name. Name is the property name. Copy this. Okay. Copy this. Is there anything like valid password to anywhere? I'm just checking. No. And sample password to, is there anywhere? Sample password to. I don't think so. That's it. Just go here and give that, and give something like Varun. Okay. Give the value as Varun and see whether this happens or not. Let's run the script to see what is happening. Right click run as the obligation and go to the properties file and see. Still Arun is there. It's not getting updated. As per my script, I am thinking that it should get updated. How to update the properties in the properties file is something I'll check in ChatGPT once. How to update the properties in properties properties file in Java. Okay. How to update the properties in properties file in Java. Properties dot set property. Set property only. Property prop dot set property and give the property name. That is the password and give a new password here and yeah. Okay. Password and this is still not working. Just give me a second. Let me see. So it's not getting updated, right? So, but there is a way, guys. If I see the chat GPT, they have provided something like this. Okay. You have to say properties dot store here. Okay. So if you don't store, it is not going to get updated back to the file. Just by giving set property will not do the job. So prop dot store, we have to say store. And here for storing, right, we have to give output stream or what is the other way? Public dot, sorry, prop dot store, writer, file writer also we can give, not a problem. Then how to do this? How to do this, guys? Okay. Store, I think for this kind of things I'll create inside the, okay, let me write here first of all, liquid store, and I need to represent the properties file path here, that is here, file, writer, file writer, fr is equal to new, file writer, and here I need to give the, import this file writer here, and here I need to give the path of the file, that is a properties file, that is system dot get property user.dir. Where is this properties file available? Double quotes, double forward slash, double backward slash, and under the src, under test, under the project, under src, under test resources, we have the project data dot, okay, sorry, this is which file? Yeah, properties. Yeah, properties we have. Okay, put a semicolon here and then write down file writer here, fr, and here store. First one is file writer. What is the other thing that I have to give? Prop dot store of file writer and comments. I don't think is comments compulsory. Let's see. Let's take or not. No. Okay. Some empty comments I'll give. I'll not give any comments here. Ignore the exception for a while. Okay. Prop dot store. I think after doing this, whether the thing this is working fine or not, we'll convert this into a reusable method. But you see, after setting the properties, it's we need to store it. Then only these values will get updated. Right click run as Java application. Once done, go and check the properties file and see. Here name Arun was there. Name got updated to the Varun now. Okay. This is the one we are updating, right? Name is equal to Varun. Okay. Name is equal to Varun is there. Okay. It got updated, I think so. I'll just do it again. Name is equal to Arun, I'll write. And save this and run the script again. Right click run as Java application to see what will happen. And after that, I'll just go and see. Okay. Somehow it's jumping here and there. That's okay. Somehow it's one storing, right? It's, reordering the stuff, that's okay, but the value is getting updated, that's main thing. Okay, I'll remove this now. It's not required. This is only for experimentation purpose. Now copy this part and go to the where is that common utils, here under utils we have the common utils. In that, load properties. After loading the, and I will just write down one method I'll create here, public void set property, set properties, set properties, set properties. Okay, all the code that I have written here, that is for setting the properties, I'm loading the property and then setting it. That's okay. Copy all this stuff, copy all these four items and go to the common utils and paste it here. Okay. Common utils dot load properties to set the property. Before setting the properties, I'm loading the property and then setting it. Property prop dot set. Here, what is the name I need to set the property name? What is the property name I need to set? String property name, property key, otherwise property key, and a string property value that I want to set with. Okay, property value, and here I'll just give the property key here, and here I'll give the property value here, which I need to set. And after that, I need to write file writer. This is the properties file and store it. Okay. I think after that, I can, I'll just do one thing, surround with try catch block, surround with initialize variable, and surround with try catch block. Then after this part is done, that's it, I think so. So any warning message is there, save this. For dot close. Do I need to really write that? I don't think so. Yeah, this is fine. This will, do all the stuff for us. Remove all these comments here. I can do one thing and also put this here and paste it here. Don't have to write this many try catch blocks here. This much is fine, guys. Okay. This will set the properties. This will set the properties now. I just need to call this method and pass the property key and property value, and the property will be set. I don't need this now. Delete this file. This is only for experimentation purpose I created. And now to set all this stuff, now here 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 2 3 4 5 is there here. Let's see. I don't know whether what will work now. What is the current application? What is the current account that will work? We'll see and give that proper details here. Emotory cap 8 and here 1 1 1 1 1. If I give login, is it getting logged in? No. So I need to give 1 2 3 4 5 only here. 1 1 1 1 1 here. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5. Click on login. Will it work? Yes, one of the password will work. That's okay. Now, what is this? Oh my God. A lot of things got updated here and there, guys. Okay. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay. It should be 1 2 3 4 5 and the valid password 2 is 1 1 1 1 1. And there is one sample password. Where is the sample password gone, guys? Sample password gone. Here, cut this for a while. Okay. Just update it here. So here 1 2 3 4 5 was working, right? Valid password 2 and yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 was working and 1 1 1 1 1. I'll just put it here and then I'll go to the login.java and here I'll write down common utils dot set common utilities or common utils dot load properties. Okay, I need to create the method as if it is a static method. So just change it to static, guys. Save this. Change it to static here. And then I can call this method directly. Now I'll write down common utils dot set store common utils dot set properties. Okay, to set properties, here I have to give the this part here and here new password here, and again I need to copy paste this one and write down copy this here property name property key and it should be assigned with the old password. Okay, so let's run the script to see whether it is working always or not. Okay, this time let's run the script to see whether it is working always, yes or no. Let's see. So let's run the script. A lot of changes I have done, guys. I know, kind of tricky. That's okay. We are learning something new every time. Login, logout. Okay, should not allow, and new password it should allow, and done. Again, if I run it for second time also it should work. Then we are good to go. If it's working for second time, we are good to go. No matter how many times you run, it should work. Okay, it's not working for second time. That's the problem. It's not working for a second time. So go here and see. Here is a sample password. Still 1 1 1 1 1 only. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 Okay, why it's not working, guys? Sample password 2. It's not getting working here. 1 2 3 4 5 should go here and 1 1 1 should come here actually. Then it will work. Every time we cannot manually change the things, right? So why it's not setting the properties here? Already the properties were loaded here, guys. Are we loading it again? That is making any problem? Properties prop. I'll write down properties prop and here remove the declaration. I don't have to load the properties every time. Already loaded. Prop dot set property, property key, property value. Okay, after setting, do we have to load again? Okay, anyhow, we will be loading that. After setting, we will be loading again in the next script anyhow. But it should get updated, right? Hmm. Okay, so this part is correct only, right? Project data dot properties file is everything is right. Prop dot store of FR and try catch block. Everything is fine. Any exception came here? No such element exception. I know why the exception came. Change your password link will not be there because. Okay, fine. Why it's not getting updated? Here I still said prop dot store also. Still it is not working fine. After setting the property, I'm saying store. After setting the property, every time I'm saying store. Okay, I'm loading it. Maybe I'm loading it every time. That's the main problem that happened. I think so. I'm just thinking that's the main problem that happened here. So let's try this again. And here I'll just have to pass the properties object reference. I don't have to load it again every time. So save this and run this again. This time it may work. Let's try this again. I have removed the code for loading the properties file. Every time it sets the properties. Worked so far. Log out. Old password will give, it's not login. New password will give login. Then I need to run it for the second time. And if it works for second time, we are good to go. Let's see what will happen here. No, it's not working. Still, it is not working. It's not able to get it. 1 1 1 1 1. 1 2 3 4 5. They should get swapped. Okay. Then what I can do here, guys, how to store the data in the properties file is something, how to set the data. Earlier, Arun got updated to Varun, and now why it's not happening, I'm just thinking. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll go to login.java. I'll just find it out. Okay, here I'll write down. Here there is a problem. You see, the problem is here, guys. We were giving valid password to. That's the reason maybe. Here we have to give sample password to. Okay. Here we have to give sample password to. Maybe that is one of the reasons. Small mistake we have identified here. New password, old password, prop top. Okay, let's see. This time I'll do one thing. I'll do it manually first. I'll take it 1111 here and 1 2 3 4 5 here and save this manually and run the script again. Run it. Small mistakes may be there sometimes, guys. Okay, maybe our code is working, but ultimately should work properly. We have to identify the mistakes in our code and see whether it is working fine or not. Then second time also, if I run the script need to work, then we are good to go. Second time I'm running the script, if it is working fine, then we are good to go. Yeah, it's working fine now. No matter how many times you run, this is going to work now. Okay, this is working right now. Okay, the small mistake is that I gave a wrong key here. Okay, that's what the reason it was not working fine. No matter how many times I'm running it for the third time now. I'm running it for the third time. Still, it should work. Yeah, the script is working fine, guys. No matter what. Okay, the data is getting updated here every time. That's very good. So we have successfully achieved this automating of the test case number 16, guys. Okay, this is how we need to automate the test case number 16, guys. I know it took a lot of time because we need to think out of the box here and every time you run the script, it's not about automating, guys. You have to make sure that the script runs every time, okay, in a proper way. Is something that we have to make sure. So in this session, I have done that. In the next session, we are going to automate the another test case that is 17th. If time permits, we'll go to 18 also in the next session. But for this session, we only have automated the 16th test case. We total have 23 test cases. In that, we came already till 16th one. Now in the few other test cases are there like 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. In the next sessions, I'll automate the remaining test cases of the login functionality. Till then, see you. Bye bye.